everyone. It's me again. Crazy, this frequency, huh? But I got something to talk about. Isn't that crazy? I am working on a Shetland project. The Walla Walla Lace group. I don't know what their name is, but if I can go find it, I'll find it here. Have asked me to come teach a Shetland lace class, and I have gone about prepping for that. Even if it doesn't come to pass, I've been having a really good time. So I'm going to show you what I've been doing in the last few weeks and talk about some of the issues and some of the fun things. First of all, this, my all-time favorite book of all time, is right here. And this is the revised edition. I do believe we have some in the shop. If not, message Kelly and I'm sure she'll get you some. This has stitch diagrams. They're very well made. And then a discussion of the history of the Shetland. And Sharon Miller is from the Shetland Islands. The other book that I have had a good time with is the Magic of Shetland Lace Knitting. I have 3 books. These are the 2 that are my favorite. I am currently doing the strawberry and or it's also cat's paw for my central motif, and I'll show you that in a minute. This is basically a brief discussion about Shetland, a whole lot of stitch diagrams that I have to say have problems, and then like 3 or 4 projects you can make. I'm currently working on a hap shawl. After having done a sample, I did this sample out of just a little skein of wool silk that I had. Now, I wish I had some solid wool silk. And at first, when I was knitting it, I'm like, this is not going to show this lace at all. And it does on a traditional Shetland shawls or Shetland knitting is done on a garter stitch. So you don't purl or it's not stockinette, it is garter. All of it with just pieces of it for embellishment or for a specific reason. So this design has the strawberry here, old shale or old shell here, and then I don't remember what this border is. I worked this one the other direction, so I did the edge first, I did the old shell second, and then I did cat's paw third. And then I blocked it because I was really super unhappy with it. Now I'm happier now than I was to begin with, but I'll show you, now that I finished this, blocked it, and I kind of have an idea what I want, I've switched to this giant cone of Pendleton wool that I managed to pick up somewhere. And I'm working in gray for the center motif of a traditional hap shawl. Now, you can't see it on this either. This is the strawberry and or cat's paw design. My plan is to do a square of this and then pick up stitches around the sides to do old shale. And then on the edge, I don't think I'm going to do this edge. I think I'm going to do a different edge. I want to find an edge that has a repeat every row so that I get practice with that. In teaching this class, I want to help students understand the traditions of Shetland lace and so that they get a taste for all different kinds of repeats. This is an every other row repeat. This is an every 3rd or 4th row repeat. And then the edge will be every row. So you work in lace every time, back and forth and back and forth. So that is what I'm working on now. Let me know if you have a favorite edging in a Shetland shawl that you like. Let me just have a look at some of the edgings in this book. This is free online, and I'll put the link down below. It's only in written form, no diagrams, which are not my favorite. And but you can have a free Shetland lace pattern. This one is cat's paw in the center, or strawberry. It's tree of life around the edge, and then it's the edging I used here. Because in the beginning I was going to try to attempt this shawl, but I have changed my mind because, you know, why would I do the things the way I'm told? Oh, here we go. Yeah, so I could do snail shell edging. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, this is every direction. Oh, maybe it's, yep, it is. This is both directions. Most of the edgings in here are both directions. So I'll probably pick an edging out of this book. But, yeah, good. Good. Anyway, I'm having a good time. I'm having a good time with my knitting. I'm knitting a little bit every day, which means I haven't been doing bobbin lace every day. I do have to get that back on my pillow before I completely forget everything I learned. I came home to more kitchen remodeling. Today I primed some of the walls with some help from Grayson. And we hired a yard guy. I'm so excited. A yard guy's going to come and help us catch up from all the winter debris. But right now, I don't know what time it is. It's early for me. I'm going to bed. I'm going to get into bed. I'm going to snuggle under my blanket and I'm going to watch a movie and knit so that I can try and finish the center motif soon. When we finish a Shetland shawl, there will be a big... I'm going to use a traditional blocking method where you make a frame, kind of like a quilting frame, and string it around so that it gets dried, pulled out in the sun. And I'll go find a picture or a video and put it up here. I'll try to find a picture of what I mean by that frame. And I'll stick it up right there so you can see it and probably give credit, because I think I'll probably be pulling it out of one of these books. Okay, that's it for me. Shorty, but goody. I'll see you soon. Bye.